For First Alert weather.
It's when you start to see areas of low pressure on our infrared satellite in the Atlantic that we know we're in hurricane season. Yeah, we'll continue to watch that. I don't think we have anything to worry about around here. The last hurricane I saw was along I-15. It was a farm implement. That's a brand of potato harvester. We do have a front that is pushing across the Tennessee Valley, and we're going to get into Asheville, North Carolina with some showers and storms, Hotlanta, and the Gulf around Tampa all the way to the Panhandle of Florida, down around Midland, Odessa, Texas. Around here, high pressure is dominating our weather. We've got that northerly flow with that clockwise rotation, nothing to worry about. You're just going to have a lot of heat to deal with, and the bright sunny skies to begin with. 50 degrees in Pocatello. Winds are out of the east at 3, and the sun will go down tonight at 9:04. The days get even longer as we head toward late June for the longest day of the year, and we'll get paid more than anybody else. Excessive heat warning into tonight for the western part of the state. Heat advisory for the Magic Valley and points to the northwest. It's 54 degrees this morning in Rexburg, 43 in Jackson, 49 Salmon, 50 in Pocatello, and breezes are out of the north thanks to high pressure that is over the top of us. It's just going to be another miserable day. You'll be sweating bullets and wishing you had a drink. You need to get some water and make sure you get some shade too. An umbrella works for that, by the way, if you're going to be out in it, and make sure you take care of the little kids and the older folks too. Everybody needs some air conditioning. A few clouds will push in with a speckled shower or two into the central mountains tonight. Some of those may be dry thunderstorms as well. We'll get a little more cloud cover tomorrow with some mountain showers possible as we kick into the weekend, and we'll get a little more shade, and that will help to cool us off with the winds that are going to pick up to 15 to 20 miles an hour as we approach late tomorrow and into the weekend. So a blustery weekend with hot air blowing around and not really pleasant, but enough to warrant some outdoor activities and some kickoff to summer fun for some kids around here. Please be careful in the natural waterways. It is still cold in the rivers, and it is still moving in the canals. There's a lot of water that has an undercurrent there, so be careful. 84 in Afton today, 84 Montpelier-Byrne, in the lower 90s for Preston and Malad. Lows in the 60s tonight. Jackson will make it to 81. It'll be 51 tomorrow morning when you start Friday with us. 90 for Du Bois in the afternoon. Hedging our bets there, pushing 90 degrees toward Rexburg. We think it'll be 91 in Idaho Falls and 94 in Salmon. Rigby will peak at about 90 degrees. And as we ride down the interstate here, Pocatello and Aberdeen into the low to mid 90s, and 95 for Burley. Here's your local news 8-day extended forecast, the most accurate forecast online and on the air and in your face like the sunshine. It's going to be in the lower 90s with windy conditions picking up, upper 80s, cooling down into Sunday and Monday. Pocatello about 93 to 95, hot to trot. It'll be 88 on Saturday and still dry around here. You'll need the sprinklers or maybe a redneck slip and slide. That's a hefty bag and a hose. 91 to 93 with a few clouds overhead. And how about a popsicle too? It's about time for an orange popsicle. Please pour some Hawaiian ice down my back. It'll be 88 to 86. Y'all be nice to the people working outside today too. Grab a lemonade and just pat them on the back and say thank you. It'll be 89 to 91 tomorrow for Rexburg with a few more clouds, and we've got good storm chances into Salmon. Some of those thunderstorms may be dry, but still warm enough to pop them and make you look twice. It'll be in the mid 80s for the weekend. Jackson around 86, and then we bring in a limited shower chance with temperatures dropping into the 80s and lows into the 40s with some 70s for Sunday. What's the not so smartest thing you've done and lived to talk about? Like the guy that threw the water bottle at the NBA game, Dylan?
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Qualifies. Yeah, what's yours? 534-9957. What's up?